I'm not playing fair with my love no more. Feelings I just can't ignore. Heartbreaks we.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as y'all can tell by the title, it's gonna be my apartment tour. I literally just moved yesterday, but the time this will be up, it'll probably be like a couple days later. But yeah, I moved on Friday, went out Saturday. So y'all gonna see how it looks. So yes, I'm excited to show you guys how my apartment looks. It's my first time doing an apartment tour. So yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the video. All right, y'all, so I don't have a cameraman, so I'm gonna do it like this. Hopefully it goes good. So basically this is the entrance. So right here is the door, like this. And then here, okay, it's my kitchen. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys everything. So here's the kitchen. So I have this here. Probably the highest the stuff could go would probably be here because I can't reach that high. But yeah, so here I just put like the little stuff. Everything is still in boxes, but I'm gonna unbox everything and place stuff. So this is basically where like the plates, the cups are basically gonna go. This right here is my air fryer that I cannot wait to use. This is my stove and my oven. I haven't used it yet. I literally did not cook yet. I probably will tonight. This is my microwave right here, and it looks like this. And then here is my the same thing basically from the other side. So it looks like this. And in here, it's my fridge. So this is the freezer. And then this is, but there's in my fridge, there's really nothing yet because I literally came yesterday and everything. Like by the time I came yesterday, it was like 11 o'clock. No, it was like 2 a.m. because we were doing back and forth and stuff like that. But yeah, this is the Domino's that I got yesterday. And yeah. So these are all the boxes. There's so much stuff. But anyway, so this is my sink. So it looks like this. I like this so much, this little detailing, and I like how like you could switch. Oh, you can't. I'm lying. Oh, yeah, you can. You gotta press hard, but you see how you can switch the settings? Yeah. So I like that. And then this right here is my dishwasher. I don't really ever use a dishwasher. I just put it to stack my stuff. But yeah, so this is how my living room, my kitchen area looks like. Okay, so this is here where all my boxes are. I'm gonna like unpack everything and get everything situated. But yeah, so this right here is basically where you could put the shoes. People say it's a pantry, but I'm gonna put it for the shoes. So yeah, so then here is my dining table. I got this set from Kane's Furniture. I really love this set. It's so cute, looks so classy. I'm gonna like, you know, put a vase on it right here, and with like flowers coming out and everything right here. Here I think I'm gonna put a bar stools. So this table might probably just be for decoration or when I have like a lot of people over, but this I'm just gonna put, oh, focus. Okay, so here I'm just gonna put like bar stools and stuff like that. And then here is gonna be my living room area. So here I'm gonna put the couch right here with the little dining table right here, like this. And then this is me. Curry shirt. But anyway, so yeah, so it looks like this. I'm gonna have like the dining table like probably like around not dining table, the coffee table around here. And then I'm gonna have here's probably gonna be my TV with my TV stand. I don't think I'm gonna hang the TV on this wall this time. I did on my other apartment, but with all the holes and all that shit, I don't got time for that. But yes, probably gonna be a TV stand right here, that there. This couch, I got it from Amazon. I was gonna sell it, but I think I'm just gonna keep it because I think it's like kind of like cute or whatever. I got makeup on it, but whatever. So this is like my makeup, this is like my makeup, my desk, my makeup area. I don't think that's gonna stay there. I'm probably gonna end up putting it in my room or something because I feel like it doesn't really fit here. And my other apartment was like smaller, so I had to like, you know, put everything like in crowded areas. But yes, anyways, I got this from Amazon. I don't remember how much this was. I think it was like $80 or something like that. And this couch was probably like, I don't know, maybe 100 something. I'm not sure, but whatever. So this is that like this. This is like the outside. It's cool. Like I can kind of see like the top now, because before I wasn't able to do that because I was on the first floor. So it looks like this. This is like the outside and everything. So yeah. And now from like my kitchen, we could enter the bathroom, which is kind of cool because I didn't have that before. So my bathroom looks like this. When you open it like this, it looks like this. Well, let me open the other light. Oh, like this. Okay, so we have this light. The other one makes way too much noise. But yeah, so it looks like this is my bathroom. This is my shower. I love it. It's so cute. And then this is my mirror. And then this is the bad bitch again. Hey. So yeah, this is me, everything. So from the kitchen, so like this, you could close it like that, but you could also enter, you could like leave the bathroom by like that, or you could like come right here, and this is like my room. So it looks like this basically. And then from so that was like my bathroom right here. So basically my washer and dryer is in my room and it's in front of my closet, which is cool. I've never had that before, so I'm excited for that. So it looks like this. No, nothing interesting. It's just like literally a washer and a dryer. But yeah, so it looks like that. And then there's like the two doors that close it right here, just like that. And that's on period. All right, so from the washer and the dryer, so that's like the bathroom right there. This is the washer and dryer, and then this is my closet. It looks like this, pretty spacious. I feel like this was like made for me because, like, you know, I could touch everything. I could, you know, reach everything. So I really feel like that was for me. But anyway, so this is how my closet looks like. All right, so here, like, I'm gonna be hanging, probably here is gonna be like probably like my big like my jackets, my sweaters and stuff like that. And here's probably gonna be, oh no, probably my dresses. Yeah, I think my dresses are gonna go here, my pants are gonna go here. Here's gonna be like my little, like, my purses and maybe my heels. Here's probably gonna be my pants, and here could be my shirts. And then yeah, I don't really know where else to put stuff, but yeah. So it looks like this, the big overview, like that. Then we could turn this off, and now this is my bedroom. So hold on, let me open the blinds so I could look. And God said, let there be, and God said, let there be light, period. So basically this is like my bedroom. It's very empty right now because I don't have anything just yet. I'm about to go buy like new furniture, new stuff. Not new furniture, not my bed set, but like more like dressers and stuff like that. So this is like my TV right here. That used to be in my room in my old apartment, but I'm gonna put this TV in the living room. And I have a smaller TV, so it's probably gonna go here. And I have like a dress. I'm gonna get a dresser and everything, or like a nice TV stand to put here. So if y'all know where I could get nice TV stands, well, let me know in the comments down below. But here I'm really thinking like I really want like a plant right here. I really wanted to give like nice vibes, you know what I'm saying? So I want, hold on, it's not focusing. Okay, so yeah, so like here I want like a nice plant, and here I feel like I could put a plant here as well, and with like nice nice like wall art. I don't really know exactly how I want to decorate it just yet, but we'll figure it out. This cover is pink, but it's not like staying that color. I have a white one, but I don't know where it is. It's probably somewhere in the boxes, but yeah. So I don't know how I want to decorate it just yet. So once I figure it out, I'm gonna show you guys the furnished apartment tour. And yeah, so this is basically like the electricity stuff, I think. I don't know how to open it, but it's not interesting. But yeah, so I don't know. I was thinking like maybe if I had a like if I made my room into a vanity room, I don't know, like I don't know, honestly, like if I had like a vanity, if I put what I have in the living room here, maybe I could do that so it could look, maybe I have my own vanity room, and when I record my get readies for me, it could be like in the room or something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. It's gonna be kind of hard, but I want everything to look perfect, so I'm gonna figure it out where I want to put everything. But I don't want like my room to be too crowded, but I'm happy that I could work with like a bigger space than what I had like last year, well, for my old apartment or whatever. So yeah, so I know I really want to plant here, and I want to plant there. That's all I know that I really want. And I know I want like a dresser or like a nice TV stand here. I don't know exactly what type of wall art I want, but whatever. Oh my god, the sun is so good. But all right, you guys, so this is all for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. So if you have any questions or comments or anything, or any suggestions on how I should do my apartment, then let me know in the comments down below. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.